Hi everyone, today I have a quick tutorial for you in regards to addressing envelopes on a slant. So as you can see here, this envelope is addressed, with no slant. It's just straight, and that is very typical and normal for calligraphy addressing. But for brides who want something a little different, it's actually kind of fun to change it up a little bit and do the addressing on a slant, especially when you have a square envelope. So you actually have a little more room if you're addressing like this as opposed to only like this. So first things first, materials that I'm using today include a Huion light pad that is available from Amazon. I've linked it below in the description, so take a look at that if you're interested in getting it. I use it for so many different projects and it's totally worth the money because I think it's around $40 and maybe not even that much. And the other one is that I have a Tachikawa Nib here that I am using. The ink was custom mixed by me. I'm planning on doing a tutorial on that on some point, so just hang tight while I kind of schedule things and figure out when I'm going to do that. So first of all, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the light pad. So it's going to get nice and bright, and I'm sorry if that kind of looks funny on your screen, but I wanted to show you that I took the time to set up these lines so that they go right through the envelope so I can see exactly where I'm going to be addressing. I had to go and measure the distance between each addressing line on envelopes so that I could kind of figure out the distance and the angle for all of this. There was definitely a little bit of math involved, so I might have to do a tutorial for that as well on a separate occasion in terms of how to set up the light pad. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and move forward with the light pad looking like this and already set up. So I'm going to put my envelope in place and dip my nib into the ink. And as a lefty, this is especially a little bit different. The same principles apply for a right-hander. You're just obviously coming at it from a little bit of a different angle. So there you have it. You can see that I was able to stay within all of the lines to address the envelope how I wanted it to be. And we have the final result. Now it will take a couple minutes for this to dry, but the ink is purple and it's actually going to dry this like French blue color, which is really beautiful. So yeah, like I said, I'll do a separate tutorial sometime on prepping a light box in terms of getting the lines all set up in place for your addressing. But hopefully this was a fun little tutorial in showing you that envelopes can be addressed in a multitude of different ways.